Okay, ladies and gentlemen, day 18. We have our lovely assistant Layla here today. She's going to help us with the trick. Polka dot silk we have here, a black and polka dots. Okay, what's your favorite magic word, Layla?
Abracadabra.
Abracadabra. All right, when I say go, I want you to say abracadabra and wave your magic wand. Okay, we're going to make these polka dots disappear. Okay, ready, go.
Abracadabra.
You see that? All the polka dots fell on the floor. How'd you do that? You don't know? Okay, now, when I say go, I want you to say a different magic word. Okay? Ready, go.
Hocus pocus.
Wave your wand. Awesome job, Layla. Thank you for your help. Again, follow me on Facebook and on YouTube. The Great and Powerful Brandini. Have a great day.